before I stop filming, make sure you like, and subscribe. So guys, I'm whispering because my parents are still asleep. But we're making funfetti cupcake strawberry cake. Let's just do cupcakes because they look like cupcakes. Okay, what do we need? 1 cup of water, 3 whole eggs, 1 cup of oil, 3 preheat the oven. Preheat the oven to 300. 315. I don't know how to go. You're off. You're open. 350. They're not up yet. Okay, we're trying to figure out how to preheat the oven. Because I don't know how to. Because I never do. Okay guys, so don't open it yet. So 3 whole eggs, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of water, 1.5 cup of oil. Is that all you need? Yeah. Wow. I was surprised we didn't need flour. What? No, don't you usually bake that for cakes? No, you use flour for homemade cake. Okay. Use one of those for me. Oh, yeah, true. Okay. Why don't you use this and put the Okay, are we doing, do you want to do the whole egg recipe? Yeah. We're making cupcakes. I know it doesn't matter. I don't want to bake a cake, I want to make a cupcake. Because I don't know how to bake a cake. You just put it in the cake and blast it. It scares me doing that. Guys, really satisfying. I'm not breaking the eggs like that. You're so you have to put the eggs in a separate bowl. No, don't do it yet. Don't go. That's what you do? Yeah. What if we don't do that though? You do. Are you sure? Okay, mix together water, oil, eggs in a bowl with a mixer and medium speed for 2 minutes. Yeah, you don't put that in there yet. Yeah. Cake mix, water, oil, beat. Cake mix, water, oil, and eggs in a bowl. All together. Oh my god. Okay, fine. Okay, now we need to get all that egg white in there. Okay, whatever. Now we need half a cup. We need just a cup of water. Where's a cup? It could use milk. Would you use milk or water? I would use water. I've never used milk before. And then, how much of the vegetable oil? This looks wrong.
It's right.
This looks very gross, guys.
It's gonna be delicious at the end, and I'm gonna say
1.5.
You said it was gross.
It's 1.5.
Did you add too much water?
No. It's just right.
Let me check that.
It's a little over. Well, it's shaky.
Wait, no. Oh, that is a lot over.
I just won't pour everything in.
Okay, that's probably. No, maybe a little bit more. Okay, that's probably good. That's okay. This is where everything is gonna go down. These are crushed.
The unicorn scoop. Oh, yeah.
No.
Guys. My thing is going downhill. Ew, I have egg white. Why am I not using a batter? Ew. This is so gross. Okay. Okay, I need a beater. Here, let me grab the beater. Yummy.
You said it looked gross.
And now it's good.
She lied.
Grab some sprinkles.
Sprinkles.
Which sprinkle should we use? They have to be rainbow. Here's some mermaid ones.
Let me see them.
Mermaid.
Yeah, but did you want to put them on the top?
On the top. Oh, shh.
Okay, that's a lot. I hate people.
See, look how cool that is. Okay guys, now we're filling this thing up. Let's do white and this color, these two. You record. God, this is a workout. This is like the worst part.
Is it though?
Yes, it is.
Okay, we gotta see what you guys can see. Oh.
Look at this one.